In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet account. Whether you're new to Google Meet or even if you've used it before but never had your own account, this guide will take you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll be ready to connect with family, collaborate with colleagues, or catch up with friends from the comfort of your own home. First, let's head over to Google Meet. It's as simple as opening your preferred web browser and typing in meet.google.com. Hit enter and you'll find yourself on the Google Meet homepage. This is the central hub for all your meeting needs, whether you're setting up a meeting, joining one, or, as we're doing today, creating an account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a button that says sign in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you already have a Google account, you're likely familiar with this process, but if you're new or planning to create a new Google account specifically for Google Meet, no worries, it's a straightforward process. After you've clicked on sign in, you'll see an option labeled create account. Click there and you'll be guided to the next page where you can start establishing your new Google identity. You'll need to decide if this account will be for personal use or if it will be connected to your professional life with a work account. Here's a handy tip. Keep in mind that your Google Meet account will be tied to your Google account. So any aliases, passwords or security settings you establish here will apply across Google's suite of services, granting you access to Gmail, Google Drive and beyond. At this point, you'll be prompted to fill out some basic information to get your account started. This will include your first and last name as well as a username. Remember, this username will act as your email address as well, so choose something that you're comfortable having represented professionally or personally. You'll also create a password. Make sure it's something secure yet memorable. Google provides a strength indicator to guide you in making a robust choice. Once you've completed filling in all this information, click Next. Google might ask you to verify your identity, usually by sending a verification code to the mobile number you've associated with the account. Simply enter the code and you'll be all set. And there you have it, a Google Meet account in just a few short steps. Now you're ready to explore all that Google Meet has to offer, from video conferencing to seamless collaboration tools. Happy connecting!